Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. Now let me start out by asking something that's just outrageous. What if you could thrive by seeing just 6 patients a day? 6 patients a day. Now that probably sounds like a fantasy right now. Most dentists these days are drowning in patients. Every patient they see during the course of each overly busy day is a small step on the road to retirement. Now, I don't want to imply that any dentist will see 1.7 million patients during the career if you do the math yourself, but the way things are right now, the vast majority of dentists will see far too many patients. They're taking small steps because their patients don't represent a whole lot of value to their practice. They're seeing routine cleanings and exams, drill and fills, and insurance-driven patients who only want what insurance will cover. Those patients are very small steps on a very long journey. But back to that fantasy of seeing just 6 patients a day, it's really not. It's the everyday reality for more and more dentists out there who are saying just enough. They've had it with being on this dental treadmill, the rat race, being on roller skates in between rooms. They've had it with feeling chained to their practice for long hours and weekends, and they're fed up with not having time for their family, for their friends. They're tired of their back and their neck hurting when they go home at night. And they're tired of practicing routine and unrewarding dentistry. They're tired of being tired. So they've decided to take giant steps on the journey to retirement. Dr. Sean from Salem, Oregon, decided to strengthen his stride, so to speak. He said, quote, "I'll be able to spend more time away from the office, and that's really my biggest thing. Not that I don't like working and not that I don't like my job, but if I know that I have good doctors here and good hygienists and good staff members, then if I'm here, I'm just another pair of hands. And ultimately, I can go and take a week's vacation with my kids, take them to Europe or somewhere farther away than just California. And that is ultimately my goal, not to spend my 40s and 50s slaving away doing dentistry." Now, Dr. Hansen's initial giant step was to partner with SmartBox, because our industry-leading patient attraction system works 24/7 to attract the types of patients that you want, the better patients, the ones that are fee-for-service and are looking for a dentist that provides the quality and the value that you do. And there's a lot more of them than you might think. With higher case values, you don't have to see so many patients and you don't have to work so hard. When you're viewed as the dentist of choice for the fee-for-service patients in your market, you can pretty much set your own terms. Just ask Corey Hercom from South Bend, Indiana. He said, quote, "For SmartBox, what really was interesting to me was to see that you can set it up until the person feels like you're an expert. They look at it from a holistic approach, and it's not just SEO and pay-per-click and website revisions. It's the whole combination." Now discover what SmartBox can do for your dental practice. Check out our website, give us a call. We'll put together a tailored patient attraction roadmap that'll be yours to use however you wish, and it'll give you the exact path you need to take to attract better patients. Maybe it's time to lengthen your stride and take those giant steps towards success and retirement. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.